A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is progression, the power of wisdom and orchestration. Ladies and gentlemen, every life moves, but not every life progresses. Amidst schedules, ambitions, and constant noise, there lingers a silent question within each heart. Is this movement taking me anywhere meaningful? Across geographies, cultures, and circumstances, the desire is common: to grow, to rise, to evolve. Yet, what truly fuels authentic progression is a question mark. The answer lies not in intensity but in clarity, not just in doing more but in knowing better. The world's wisest minds, ancient and modern, have echoed a truth: real progress is not accidental, it is orchestrated, and it begins within. Progression, in its true essence, is not mere sequence of milestones, but a symphony of alignment between thought, action, and aspiration. To progress sustainably, one must engage two forces: wisdom and orchestration. Wisdom is not mere knowledge, it is conscious clarity, a blend of knowledge, awareness, and conviction. It allows the mind to see beyond the obvious, to filter noise from insight, and to act from understanding rather than impulse. Yet, clarity alone is not enough. The bridge between inner knowing and outer growth is orchestration, the art of mobilizing positive action through energy, competency, confidence, and courage. It is the process of putting wisdom into motion with precision and strength. The Bhagavad Gita speaks to this delicate harmony. Excellence in action is yoga. This ancient line reminds that skillful, conscious action born out of wisdom is the very path to spiritual and worldly evolution. Let this be understood further. Conviction arises when processed knowledge fuses with positive energy. Confidence is born out of clarity multiplied by energy and rooted in courage. Courage, in its most evolved form, is a composite of 5 elements: physical strength to endure, mental strength to focus, emotional strength to balance, spiritual strength to stay rooted, and aspirational strength to envision beyond limits. When these elements interact with intention and with balance, progression becomes sustainable. Not erratic surge of effort, but a deep, steady unfolding of one's potential over time. What's the way forward? In an age of complexity, Cultivating wisdom is no longer optional. It is foundational. Here is a direction setting approach for real life application. First, pause daily. Reflect, not react. Create space for awareness to arise. Second, seek clarity. Ask not just what to do, but why it matters. Third, strengthen the inner fire. Focus weekly on one pillar of courage, be it mental resilience or aspirational drive. Fourth, channel energy into structured goals. Combine competence with character. Fifth, stay rooted in timeless guidance. Ancient wisdom, like the Gita, offers living maps to navigate change. When these practices are engaged consciously, life ceases to be a random sequence. It becomes an orchestrated journey of ascent. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the world often measures progress in speed and numbers, but true progression is measured by alignment. How well the inner purpose guides the outer journey. Wisdom gives light, orchestration gives direction, and their union becomes the silent force behind lasting growth. Progression is not reserved for the privileged. It is the birthright of every conscious being. But it demands intentional living, a willingness to learn deeply, act wisely, and grow purposefully. As one ancient truth from the Gita reminds, let one uplift oneself by the self. Let not the self be degraded. True progress is not outward victory. It is inner elevation, not in competing, but in completing the self. Let life not be just lived. Let it be orchestrated. Let movement not just happen. Let it be meaningful. And let the pursuit of progress be not a race, but a resonance with one's highest self. As is said, the mind, once stretched by a new idea, never returns to its original dimension. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.